Okay, hello guys. Hey yo guys, this is my first video, and ya, aku pengen unboxing Evo, ya, Report Loco Electric. And why I'm buying this because it's cheap, ini murah banget guys. Dan ya, iseng-iseng aja gitu, karena saya masih pelajar juga, and I didn't have much money for buying authentic. And I buying in Shopee, dikirim oleh GNT, Persatuan GNT Tiki. And ya, ini aku pesan pas 11/11, and there's a promo, and yeah, I have a cashback too. And ya, udah kirim sekarang, lama banget. Okay, yes, let's open these things. Yeah. Let's open these things. Bubble wrap. Maybe I must. I must. Mau gunting dulu. Okay, I already bring gunting. Let's open these things. Where I must start ya, bisa ya. Okay. Bubble wrap. I always play this when I was a little kid. It's so fun. Whoa. And it's red. Oh, it's red. And what flavor? Tobacco. The flavor is tobacco. Whoa. 6 mg. Oh god, 6 mg. God, 6 mg. This shitty E5. Ooh. Or we must open these things, shall we? I like this because it sent me correct. I already seen in many bunch of video. If you want to own this, you must press it 55 times. Makanya tuh. Oh fuck, it's on. And okay, it's on. And when you want to turn off, then maybe 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know what. Use it. Oh, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know what he said. This is for battery. I don't know what to was. Hey shit. Oh, Evo. It's like Evo. Good. I must start firing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's on? I don't know what to use it. Shit. Screw the battery out. This will be okay. Oh, maybe I must charge him first. I must charge him first. Yeah, let's start first. into ampere. It's red. Oh, it's winter. Maybe. I don't know. Let's see. It's red. So okay, my charging is fine, but it's red. And this is 60 mAh here. Yeah, I think that's all for me. Hope you enjoy this, guys, and see you next time.